One of the trending questions right now is, why is my radiator fan so loud? Now, we shot another video that talks about if you have a pickup with a mechanical fan clutch. But today we're going to talk about if your vehicle has an electric fan. Now, you may have two fans like this, or you may have a single fan, and they could run at different speeds. So if you live here in Arizona, anytime your air conditioning is on, these fans are going to come on. Now, they might be different speeds, so if it gets really hot out and the AC pressure gets real high, these can actually get quite noisy. Now, it will sound smooth. If it sounds rough, a lot of vibration and stuff, then probably one of the motors in these fans has gone bad. So basically, pop the hood, kind of listen, feel, and some noise is normal. Listen to your other cars, your neighbor's cars, kind of compare. If you have any questions, stop by. I'll listen to it for you, no problem. So I hope this has been informational to you as why your fan might be making noise. It might be normal. And until next time, safe travels to you.
And bless you.